down there. Go, keep it. Go. Put your fingers straight back down. Change. Go on, keep them down there. Go, put your
Elaine, you
fingers
should
down.
face the camera towards yourself.
Yeah.
Your face is hilarious.
Go, Shane, do it again.
Nothing's coming.
It will.
Just keep him down there.
Go, keep them down.
No, keep him down. I'll squeeze
no,
it.
he's got pain in the belly.
Go, keep going. Go, put them back down, straight back down.
Nothing's coming.
Just keep doing it. Well, come.
It will. It'll slowly
Put
work
it
its
down
way
deep. Go.
I did.
You got it.
Hold on.
Did you get it up there?
out. Yeah.
I don't feel too bad. I just feel like full, really had a lot to eat.
Keep it down there. Just keep it. Even when you start, just keep it down.
That's it.
Yeah, keep it down there. Put your fingers straight back down. Go, fingers back down again. Just hold them there. When you start, just keep it. Keep it there. Go, put your fingers back.
Oh, it's chunky. Please,
That's the
super.
chicken before the milk.
That's super chunk.
Can you
I
carve?
can,
And then leave it. If it's not coming, just leave it.
You need to squeeze your belly.